Yo, 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 look at this. Wave 1, wave 2. And if you have these settings on, you can copy these. 0.618 is the 61.8 or 62% target zone 1. 100% is target zone 2. 1.62 is the target zone 3, which is the initial, or where the start of wave 3 is, like the start of the end of wave 3. So target zone 3 and 4 is where wave 3 will finish. But in most cases we don't know where wave 1 and 2 is. In this case it's very clear. So if it was very clear, you could have predicted it. And so target zone 2 is usually 2.38. We can also call it the Fib expansion 200. It could be 200 as well, but I like 238 because that's where, you know, the stats mostly show. So if you look at this, your first indication was here. So if you entered here and exited here, not bad at all. If you entered there and trailed the box, you exited between target zone 3 and 4. And then we had an internal wave 4 and it went further down. And now I will put the target zone. Now I always put target zone where I think is the start of wave 3, which usually has a fresh cross here. But on this occasion we know this is 1 and 2, so you put that there. And then I put my target point just slightly above the damn target zone 1. And look what it did. It went, touched it, and let me drag and drop it. Here we go. It's going to appear. So you see that? So that is a risk of 25 and a reward of 68. Beautiful is what we call this. Now I should have got in here, right, at this level, but I was iffy, and then it went up. Now this is a little kind of a tricky thing. So it went up, and so at that time my thoughts were, maybe I was right, it is B trap. And then suddenly it dropped. So before the candle closed on this one, I actually got in and thought, all right, so I know where it turned around from. So I can have a 20 or 25 point stop loss here. And if it just carries back, goes back up, I would know it was B trap. Otherwise, bang.